Today, we're comparing two powerful self-hosted photo management solutions, Immich and Synology Photos, so you can decide which one works best for your setup. Let's start with Immich. Immich is an open-source, self-hosted alternative to Google Photos. It's built for automatic photo and video backups and comes packed with AI-driven features like facial recognition, object detection, smart tagging, and even geotagging with an interactive map view. It supports multiple user accounts, live photo playback, and works on anything from a Raspberry Pi to a cloud VPS. The mobile apps look modern and handle automatic background uploads, but installing and configuring Immich requires some technical knowledge. Plus, because it's in rapid development, occasional updates might introduce breaking changes. Now onto Synology Photos. This one is bundled with Synology NAS devices, so there's nothing extra to install. It delivers a smooth plug-and-play experience with timeline sorting, basic face recognition, and easy album sharing. It's extremely stable and works seamlessly with other Synology services. The downside is that you can only use it if you own a Synology NAS. And while the AI features work, they aren't as advanced as Immich's. The mobile app also feels a bit outdated compared to more modern alternatives. If you're tech-savvy and want the latest AI tools with the freedom to host anywhere, Immich is the flexible, feature-rich choice. If you already own a Synology NAS and want something rock-solid with minimal setup, Synology Photos will get the job done with zero fuss.